Oh my god. I'm wearing it right now on the ladies. Magic. Snatched and cute. They're really so good. Today we are back with one of my absolute favorite videos, and I'm gonna share with you 40 things that have changed my life that will hopefully change your life. We're gonna go over beauty, tech, home things, food things, all things today. If you were interested in buying anything from this video, all links will be down below. They are affiliate links. Of course, want to be 100% honest with you guys. I hope you try them out, and I hope they change your life as much as they've changed mine. Let's go. I am the queen of air fryers. I've tried so many air fryers in my life, you guys, and this is by far the best one that I've tried. I know I share with you guys a lot of air fryers, but I really put in the work. I use air fryers until they're literally on their last leg, and then I try a new one, and I can say, after trying about 5 different ones, this is the best that I've ever used. This is from the brand Kosori? I don't know. It is incredible, and it's so high power. I love it so much. The air fryer that I was using before didn't have this like traditional basket, and I realized how much I truly miss the basket portion of it. I love, 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 love this one. It's one of the less expensive ones from the ones I've tried too. If you're in the market for an air fryer or you want to give someone one as a gift, this is the one. We all know I am a falsie queen. I love false eyelashes. I do not feel like myself if I'm not wearing false eyelashes. And I found the most amazing lashes ever, and they are so incredibly inexpensive. They will change your life. These are the Dye Silk lashes. They are $6 for 5 pairs. I'm currently wearing them on my eyes right now. I feel like they're the perfect mixture of dramatic and natural at the same time. They are so good, and again, so cheap. And if you also have Asian lashes, they look so good on Asian lashes. I highly recommend. I love taking baths. This is like my favorite place to be in the house, and I especially love taking baths now because of my bath pillow. I got this because of Lauren. It dries really well, it's really nice and ventilated, and it just makes your bath experience so much better. So check her out, it just suctions onto the back, so easy. I posted about how much I love this product, and I have never gotten more DMs in my life asking me where I got it, what it is, etc. So this is the brand Nut Pods. I'm gonna be fully honest, I heard about this brand from Emma Chamberlain, whom I love. And basically they're just dairy-free sweeteners. They have like almond milk or coconut milk in them, and you put them in your coffee, and this flavor in particular has changed my life. So this is the cookie butter flavor. I also really, really like the peppermint mocha flavor. I'm gonna be honest, when I love a flavor, I love it. When I don't love a flavor, I really don't love it. So I've had to go through a few to find the flavors that I love, but this cookie butter is by far my absolute favorite. It is so good. It makes the most delicious coffee in the morning, iced or hot, whatever it is. I look forward to waking up and drinking my Nut Pods. Next up, I will say, I think I've talked about this in every one of these videos that I've done, but I have truly found the best of the best of this item. We all know I love my boob tape. This is literally all I have left of this specific brand that I found that has truly changed my life. The best thing about this one compared to the others that I've shown before is that it is incredibly less expensive, which we love, and also it does not tear at your skin at all. I'm wearing it right now on the ladies. There's so much support, but it doesn't hurt to take off whatsoever, and I'm obsessed with this, and again, it's so inexpensive. So if you're gonna get a boob tape, don't listen to me before and listen to me now. Are you tired of driving around with your reusable water bottle and you try to fit it into your cup holder? It doesn't fit, you put it on the seat next to you and it's rolling around like crazy. Look no further. This is a cup holder that we're gonna put into our normal cup holder. Make sure it's nice and snug, and then your water bottle fits perfectly. I'm gonna be honest, my car got broken into, and this is the one thing they stole, so I had to repurchase. It's that good. If you are a mug collector like myself and you love having a bunch of mugs, but you don't have the space to store them, I got these awesome little mug organizers online. Basically, they open and close like a fun little toy, and you can use them to stack your mugs on top of each other to use up less space in your cabinets, and you can have double the amount of mugs. It is amazing. When I tell you I have 4 pairs of these, and I didn't even realize I put these on the list, and I'm wearing them right now. These slippers are amazing. You've probably seen these on Instagram. They have little smiley faces on them. Sorry, they're really dirty because I actually wear them so much. These are my smiley face slippers. They're awesome. You can throw them in the washer, keep wearing them. I love them. Hello. Do you want to show them what you like to sleep on? I am very particular about my pillowcases and my pillows themselves. Hold on, mommy. And I have found my perfect pillow combination. Let me show you. I bought these from the brand Parachute, and I got the down pillow because I personally like a nice, comfy, soft pillow, but I don't like it too flat. This is literally the perfect pillow. It's like nice and it still holds up, but it's like so soft and cushy. Cal likes a firm pillow and it feels like I'm sleeping on a brick. So if you like a brick pillow, he has the Casper her, I think the regular standard pillow, something like that. So I'm telling you, she loves them. She literally just sleeps like this all night on my head. So the pillows are great, and then I'm very particular about my pillowcases. Silk pillowcases have changed my life. Whether you want to get them from the actual Silk brand, which this one is from there, and it's very, very nice, but it's very expensive. I also got this one that was like $8 online and pretty much looks identical and is just as comfortable, and I love them. They're great for your hair, great for your skin, and you just get a really nice sleep with them. So this combo, 2 thumbs up. I love trying a bunch of different foundations, and this one is by far my favorite that I've tried in so long. This one is the Dior Face and Body Foundation, and I love this because it is the most lightweight foundation I've ever worn in my life. I'm wearing it currently, and I love it so much because I don't feel like I'm wearing makeup, which is insane because I've got about 10 pounds kicked onto my face right now. So if you're looking for a high-end lightweight foundation, give this one a try. There's also a bunch of shades, which we love. I am shade 2.5 neutral. Next up, these have truly changed my life. I will say I was sponsored by them in a past video. I'm not being sponsored right now. I've had to get pretty intensive blood work done in my past, and they let me know that I was deficient in a lot of different vitamins. So then I started taking like 10 different supplements a day to make sure that I got everything in, make sure I was getting enough. And then I discovered the VitaFusion Multivites, and no joke, every vitamin that I was deficient in is in this one gummy, and they taste really, really good. I really like them. I just recently opened a new one, and they are delicious. You pop 2 a day, you get all the vitamins you need. It's so good. Try these. They also sell them at Costco, so love that. I've always been a little scared of these little face razors, but this brand, it's the Chic Hydro Silk one, is amazing. They're really inexpensive, and I saved my little mustache hair for you. It's amazing at just removing all this hair right here. It does it so soft and so quickly. I've just never had a face razor do it this smoothly before, and I'm obsessed with them. These are amazing. So I've gotten way more into skincare lately, and my skin is thanking me for it. One of the things that I love most is wearing sheet masks, but what I hate is I can't do them if I want to do something productive. I can only do them when I'm sitting around and I have nothing to do and I'm laying down and I can't move for like 30 minutes. Look no further. I just opened up a brand new one. This thing is the best. This is literally like a condom for your sheet mask on your face. It keeps it on, hands-free. It's incredible. I love it. I get asked all the time, because I show this in all my vlogs and on my Instagram, where I got this adorable little car seat. Of course, it's linked down below, but this is so nice because I feel like my dogs are super safe while I'm driving. I feel like a true soccer mom when they're both buckled into the back, but honestly, it is just really safe for them. All you have to do is remove the little seat on the inside. Then you just run your seatbelt through the loops here so it's nice and secure. Then you just place this little piece back on top and put your dog in. Let me go get my dog. I'm back with my dog, and now you can put them in their harness too, and then make sure they're clipped in to be extra safe, because this one likes to stick half her body out the window. You just plop them right in. You can just hook on the harness. I don't want to get her excited because we're not going anywhere. And that's it. Do you love your seat? Yes, we love our seat. This is just perfect for any dog mom that wants to be ultra safe, or dog dad, whoever you are. While we have her here, I thought I would demonstrate the next item. This looks like a little eyelash comb, but it's actually made to help just to groom your dog's tear stains, or if they get little gunkies in their eyes, which mine are very prone to. Basically, there's a bristle side and then a little metal side, and I use the metal side very gently to just remove their tear stains. We just pull it out and you get their little gunkies right out. There we go. Now we're clean. We look beautiful. Hi, Daisy. If you like brie cheese like myself, but you don't love all the calories with it, I found this at Walmart, and I've repurchased this about 4 times already. This is the President Wee Brie little brie wedges. I love me a Laughing Cow cheese, and this is literally brie cheese that's spreadable. You can put it on a sandwich. You can put it on crackers. You can use it with whatever. It's just like tiny little wedges. I personally like putting them on a breakfast sandwich with like an egg and some cheese on an English muffin or like a bagel. So good. So I love wearing skirts so much. I feel the most comfortable and confident and sexy when I'm wearing a skirt. Make that a stretchy skirt and I am all over it. So I love tennis skirts, and I found the cutest ones online. I wore one with my Halloween costume. I wore one to style my merch for my merch photo shoot. They're so comfortable, and there are so many cute ones out there. So in the morning when I wake up and I'm brushing my teeth, doing my skincare routine, doing my hair, whatever it is, I'm usually listening to podcasts or watching YouTube videos or something. And I'd always just have my phone like in random places. I'd be dropping it constantly. So I got the most amazing thing here. It's self-adhesive. You just remove the little sticker, put it right here. You can put it on your mirror. You can put it on any surface, and it holds my phone perfectly, so I can just listen to podcasts, make TikToks, whatever it is, and it's so amazing. So if you guys remember the Cooking with Remy Comfort Foods episode, you know that my #1 ultimate comfort food is ramen at home, and now I have the perfect pot to make it in. So I actually use this to serve cranberries at my friend's giving. I've used it to make ramen. It's just really cute and the perfect little single serve pot, so I wanted to share it with you because I get excited now to make my soup in this little guy. If you've never tried men's Hanes sweatpants, you are truly missing out. These are $11 online and so comfortable. I originally found these because I wanted to find a royal blue pair to match some shoes that I got. I posted a photo and everybody was asking me where I got them. I got so many questions and they are so inexpensive and so comfy. I'm just obsessed with them. This dry shampoo has changed my life. This is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. This brand is incredible. I use it literally every day. Even if my hair doesn't necessarily need dry shampoo, I've started putting it in at the roots and it just kind of adds a little texture. I'll just put it on in the morning if my hair is a little greasy. I'll go enjoy my coffee and then I rub it in and my hair looks amazing. I'm obsessed. It took me so long to find these. I found them eventually at a TJ Maxx. Then I did a simple Google search and I found them online. So I'll link them online for you guys, but these have changed my life. I will say, the reason why I found out about them is because they're really big in the fitness community, but they just make the most delicious snack ever. If you too are a birthday cake anything fan like myself, these are the Drizzlicious birthday cake bites. Itty little bitty rice cakes that are covered in like white chocolate and sprinkles. They're so yummy. I just snack on these all day long. These are it. They're really so good. One more. I dress for comfort 99% of the time, and that includes these bad boys right here and pretty much every color variation of these that exist because I have them. So these are pillow slides. I know not everybody thinks they're cute. I think they're cute personally, and what's even better is they are so comfortable. These things are like walking on a cloud. I have them in tan, black, pink, blue. Maybe you have someone who's like a homebody in your life, you're looking for a good Christmas gift for them, this is the move. We're standing outside because I'm gonna be honest, it's getting very dark inside the house, so I'm gonna light my candle outside. Cal will probably be happy that I don't light the house on fire again. Of course you can use a regular lighter for candles, but this thing is amazing because it's rechargeable. Here we have my favorite candle, a leaves candle. Favorite candle for fall. Winter candy apple, I'm coming for you. And all you have to do is just turn the little guy on and you just hit the button and it immediately lights your candle. There we go. You just keep recharging it over and over and you can go like this with it. If you have not tried the teriyaki seaweed from Gimme Organic, you are missing out. I grew up eating seaweed my entire life. I love eating seaweed on its own, but this takes it to a whole new level. This has some sort of delicious teriyaki seasoning flavor on it. Oh my god. If you like seaweed snacks, or maybe you don't like seaweed snacks and you want to like seaweed, try these teriyaki ones. They are an absolute game changer. So good. I think freckles are the cutest things in the world, and I've always wanted to have freckles, but obviously I was not born with them. So this product right here is called Freck, and it is to give you little fake freckles. Of course you can use an eyebrow pencil, an eyeliner, whatever, but this specifically is made for freckles and it's like waterproof. It stays on all day long. It is amazing. You just kind of like stamp it on all over and then you take your finger and you just tap, 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 and it creates the most adorable little freckles all over your face. I think they're so cute. And if you too have always wanted freckles in your life, check this out. So because of cooking with Remy, I am at the grocery store multiple times a week, and I was going through way too many grocery bags and it just wasn't good for the environment and I wasn't feeling good about it. So I found these bad boys right here. It came in a pack of 3. What I love about them is they're really nice and sturdy and hard, so they're great when you're carrying heavy groceries and things, but they also collapse very easily. You just pull this little insert out and then it just folds right down for easy storage. So these are amazing. I'll literally take these to the grocery store and just line them up in my shopping cart and then just throw whatever it is I need into the bags, and I just feel much better about my grocery shopping now. So check them out. So as you guys know, I have a new garden at my house, and don't worry, full garden tour coming very soon from start to finish. But these are from Hydro Farm and they're like perfect little scissors to cut anything in your garden. I'll just go in, and these scissors are so great and so smooth, and honestly better than just ripping things off the garden. So if you are looking for a nice pair of little gardening shears, these are perfect. I am obsessed with getting my nails done, and I love gel polish, and I found the best brand of gel polish online. My nail tech Perla loves them, and she loves the formula, and they look so cute on. I'm wearing some right now. Please don't mind the fact that my nail fell off. I'm getting it fixed tomorrow. But the brand Gelish makes the cutest, most affordable gel polishes, so if you're looking for some, they have an amazing array of colors. And of course, you need a place to store your gel polishes, so I found the most adorable little acrylic nail racks online. These are like small little individual racks that you can just hang up. I just hung mine up with some command strips, honestly, so it didn't damage my walls, and it looked super cute, and I can hang all my little polishes and I can see them all. So TK gave me these for my birthday this year and I have fallen in love with them. I've bought like 7 more boxes since I've gotten these. These are incredible. So what these are the Woo More Play Freshies. So they're just like little individually wrapped little wipies that you can use for your down there area. You can use it for whatever, honestly, but I use them to freshen up if I'm feeling, you know, just like I need a little pick-me-up down there. And being fully honest with you guys, I've used wipes before in the past and they have given me UTIs like crazy. Maybe I'm just really sensitive. I don't know what it is, but these are the only things that I've ever tried that I genuinely love and that do not give me a UTI, for lack of a better term. You can take them on the go. That's the best part. If you're looking for a place to hang your coats, your bag, face masks, whatever it is, I've got you covered. These over here are little wall hooks that actually just stick to the wall. They actually hold quite a bit of weight. I'll hang my purse on here when I walk in the door. As you can see, we have face masks here, Cal's hat. They're great because they don't damage the wall at all. It's literally just like a sticker. I put one on this door here and I use this to photograph all my Poshmark pieces. I'll just hang a hanger here. We take a photo and it has like a nice black background. They pretty much can hold whatever you put on them. We all know I love to display things, and one thing for me that I've gotten really into recently is perfume. I found the most amazing perfume rack on Etsy actually. It comes in 1, 2, or 3 tiers. I got the 3 tier because, as I said, I've been really into perfume lately, and it's the most beautiful way to store all your perfumes. I feel like it's just like a gorgeous decoration now. If you're looking for a good way to display something in your room, check that out. So I bought these little lanterns last year and I filled them with pine cones, and honestly it looked really bad and I didn't know what to put inside. But I found these candles online and they are amazing because they're electric, they're waterproof, they're weatherproof, they're everything proof. And what's really cool about them is they just run on batteries, and then obviously you can turn them on or you can turn them off, or you can put them on a timer, which is what I did. Basically at a certain time in the night, I think it's like 6 o'clock or so, they come on, they stay on for 6 hours, and then they automatically shut off, and just keep doing that every day. I think these look so much better than the pine cones, and if you're looking to decorate outside your house or maybe in your backyard, these are awesome. Nice ambiance is added. A trend that I am obsessed with, and I'm so happy it's a trend, is corset tops. If you guys have never tried a corset top from Amazon, you are missing out. They are so cute and so inexpensive. First up, we've got these adorable like lacy ones. I wore this to the Rare Beauty Friendsgiving and everybody was loving it. I got this black leather one and I wore this actually for my Halloween costume, but they have so many awesome corsets to choose from. I love that they can fit so many different bodies, obviously, because you can lace it up in the back, but I have this black leather one that was so comfortable and could be cute even with like jeans for a night out. And I have this one that's really, really pretty. It's like a shiny blue color that also has the lace up in the back. They basically just have every option for everything you could possibly be looking for, and you will feel snatched and cute. I love waking up in the morning and having my cup of coffee with my nut pods, and this is my new favorite way to make coffee. I love an espresso, I love all that kind of stuff, but there's also just nothing like a normal cup of coffee in the morning. This machine is really cool because it's a Keurig machine, so you can make a single cup with your K-Cup, or you can also make a pot of coffee in the same machine, which I love so much. This is dirty and I need to clean it. That's embarrassing. I love waking up in the morning, making a big pot of coffee. I feel like a real office when I have it, and then my team can come over and enjoy coffee with me, and it's just like a really fun little thing for me. And this machine is just really cool, and I'm actually gonna give one to my mom for Christmas. So Mom, don't watch this. I'm very proud of this piece right here. Alicia came over and complimented my lamp and I said, I made it. I'm gonna be honest, it's not that good, but if it was well done, you could buy it at CB2 or something that's very overpriced. I basically bought this lamp at Target. It was like a $15 clearance lamp, and then I just bought some plaster that I got from Amazon, again linked down below. I just mixed it with water, put some gloves on, and just smothered it in plaster. It dried in like 2 minutes. It was such an easy DIY project. And then I didn't want any cords or anything to show here, so for this lamp I actually cut the outlet. Where are we at? Oh, I covered it, I forgot, so you can't even see it. So it looks nice and smooth, but surprise, it works. Magic.
So you're gonna explain?
No. I'm a magician. A magician never tells their secrets. Another thing I wanted to share is this really cool light bulb. So this light bulb can be used as an actual like flashlight. You don't need to plug it in. It can be used for emergency purposes, or also, you know, if you just want to have a lamp that's not plugged in, she's perfect. Last but not least, to round out this video, I want to talk about my Uggs. I've always been an Ugg lover since I was a kid, and I'm so happy they're coming back in style, and I'm obsessed with this new style that's also, or maybe not new to me, that people are loving. I believe this is called the mini Ugg. I love them because they're short and really comfortable. My legs don't get too sweaty, and honestly, I just think they're cuter than the other Uggs. So I have them in red, I have them in brown, I need to get the black. I am living in my Uggs lately. Again, as I said, I live for comfort. So those are 40 things that have changed my life recently. If you try any of them out, please let me know. I hope they changed your life as well. channel. Do not forget I am doing Vlogmas over on my vlog channel, and the Vlogmas hoodie is now live, so check it out, shop remicruz.com. So weird to say. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!